So children, in air pollution, there are few components like you have seen acid rain, then pollution from factories, from home, etc. There is one more point: ozone layer depletion. Ozone, ozone layer is a layer very high, and ozone is basically gas. Ozone is having the column O3, and so ozone molecules, they form a blanket above the atmosphere, and they have very significant role. They prevent the Mother Earth and all the creatures from the harmful effects of the sun rays. Sun rays emits several harmful rays, and one of them is ultraviolet rays. So, children, today I am first going to explain about the depletion of ozone layer. How ozone layer is depleted. Actually, with the advancement in science and technology, many things were invented like air conditioners, refrigerators, many medicines like different sprays. We use a sprays as painkiller, we use a sprays for repelling mosquitoes, flies, etc. So initially, all the refrigerators, air conditioners, they were having some chemicals which are called as CFCs. CFCs stands for fluorocarbons. Fluorocarbons, they are a group of compounds, they are a group of chemicals, and they are very much dangerous for the ozone layer. And they deplete. Actually, as ozone layer is present above the atmosphere, and it prevents the sunlight having the harmful rays, ultraviolet rays. So, ultraviolet rays, ultraviolet rays coming from the sun are checked, stopped by ozone layer. So, ozone layer has this important function, and why there the depletion of ozone layer? Depletion means holes are made. It breaks down due to CFC. So how CFCs are released? So when if there is any leakage in the refrigerator, refrigerator, air conditioner both have compressor. Compressor compresses gas, and the gas initially was CFC. CFC is a group of chemicals compounds, and one example is freon, F-R-E-O-N, freon. Formula is CF2Cl2. Formula is CF2Cl2. So this is highly compressible gas, and it causes cooling. It is compressed by compressor, sent to the freezer, or cooling in the AC, and so there is the cooling. But this gas has very drastic effect on the ozone layer. If there is any damage to the compressor or compressor of refrigerator or air conditioner, then it is released in the atmosphere. So naturally it will go, it is a gas. On the other hand, if you use a spray can be medicinal spray or moth repellent or mosquito repellent or even deo or antiperspirant which you use. Initially, they were companies were adding the freon to repel the medicines or the chemicals. But when it was discovered that freon causes depletion of ozone layer, so government has made it compulsory. No one will use freon. So nowadays, all the air conditioners, all the refrigerators, and all the sprays, they are free from freon. It is written in most of the cases CFC free. Kindly check it if you have any spray. Nowadays it is written CFC free. On the carton it is CFC free. So due to the charge of CFC, the ozone layer present, it is just like a cloud. So present in the sky, few kilometers away, and due to this CFC basically CF2, Cl2, it breaks and there is formation of this chlorine atom. Chlorine atoms are released, and these chlorine atoms, they are very much active. They are very much active, and they break. It has O3. So O3 molecules, they are joined together. They are intermingled together just like this cloud. And so it is broken, and the formation of other. This is chemical reaction basically. So ozone is splitted by this chlorine from CFC, and there is formation of oxygen, and again this atomic oxygen is released. Atomic oxygen is released, and atomic oxygen, it starts the chain reaction. And so if chain reaction starts, so what happens? If there is release here, so what happens? There is a depletion. And so children, this is nothing but this is the depletion of ozone layer. And if there is any hole, basically holes are there, and the holes are very wide at the Antarctica. Antarctica, they know holes. So there's a very huge hole. Nowadays, due to this tendency of not using, government has, all the countries have made it compulsory not to use. So nowadays, the ozone hole has shrinked. It has become almost nil. And so nowadays, we are very much in the safe, because the ultraviolet rays. So if sunlight is coming, so ultraviolet rays, they are not filtered. So ultraviolet rays, they cause skin cancer, then eyesight becomes weak, then the grain of hair. So these are the conditions of the ozone layer depletion, and so ozone layer depletion can be prevented only by the use of such chemicals which are totally opposite of the freon. And so this is about the depletion of ozone layer. Now children, other important culprit in the air pollution is the presence of carbon monoxide. I had said culprit because it is silent killer. It is silent killer. It kills the person silently, and the person is unable to know that what is going on. So the question is, how carbon monoxide is produced? Carbon monoxide, this is the formula, and the point is that from where it comes in the atmosphere. So children, carbon monoxide is formed by the incomplete combustion of anything. It can be wood, it can be coal, it can be LPG or CNG, diesel, petroleum. Any fuel when burned in less supply of air or oxygen, there is formation of carbon monoxide. So this is simplest way. If there is incomplete combustion, then carbon monoxide. So how carbon monoxide is toxic, how it is culprit? It is very important to know it is a colorless gas. It has no color. It has no smell also. So if there is no color, no smell, so no one can know what is the problem. And so this carbon monoxide, it has very strong tendency with our blood. Carbon monoxide has very strong tendency to combine with our blood in comparison to oxygen. So carbon monoxide has around 300 times more capacity, 300 times more capacity to combine with the blood, and it is in comparison to oxygen. So see, oxygen has capacity to combine 300 times less than that of the carbon monoxide. So imagine when it has combined with blood in a person's body, so what will happen? Naturally, a person will die. So the question is how it is harmful. So what is that you all must be knowing that the person was found dead in a room of hotel, because in particularly in winters the persons use blowers, persons use heaters, room heaters, etc. Nowadays we have fashion, we close all the windows, no chance of entry of air from the outside. So what will happen? Naturally, the amount of oxygen is less in the room, and the person is sleeping. So naturally, the person's body will be using the oxygen. So slowly and slowly, the percentage of oxygen is decreased, and we all animals we release carbon dioxide. So there is a system that when the oxygen is consumed, then the person's body automatically starts using carbon dioxide in the sleep. If the person is not sleeping, then he or she may feel unconscious, and he or she may go outside. And so when carbon dioxide is taken by the animal's body during respiration, so carbon monoxide is then formed. And then carbon monoxide, so the person is sleeping, person becomes unconscious, and actually there's a death. And so this is one. And if a person is moving, car is in a car, and suppose person they enjoying the car, have fun in the car, just they stop the car, engine is running, or engine is not working, no AC. What happens in a car? Just like a room, a small room, and two friends are talking, enjoying. What happens? Then actually the area is limited, so same process will take place. So children, this is the tragic effect. And if any person has inhaled carbon monoxide, and once it has gone inside the blood, there is no medicine which can remove the carbon monoxide, because it has 300 times a stronger capacity to combine with the blood than that of the oxygen. And as a result of this, the person has to die. And so this is culprit. Now I'm going to explain next very important part, how to control the air pollution. So air pollution can be controlled. So first is the awareness, awareness in society. We all have to be aware about the mother, how it is possible. So children, very simple point, that you all must be having this experience whenever you have to go just in our nearby area to purchase something. Suppose okay, you use, or family members use a scooter or bike to go there. What is the need? No need. Go by foot. Use bicycle. If you are using a car to two persons are going in a car to some place, big cities, or some at some other place, do not use public transport, bus or train, etc. Because they use less fuel. Buses carry more persons, so in that ratio, the pollution caused by bus or train is much less. So point is that one that do not use vehicles for nearby areas. Second, use of public transport system. Public transport system has to be used. Switch off engines when not in use, particularly at red signals. Red signals, they are for 2 minutes or 3 minutes depending on the city. So at the red signals, switch off your engine so that no pollution is there. So then use of EVs, electric vehicles. Electric vehicles, they use rechargeable batteries, and so the batteries can be recharged at the home or the charging station. So you all must know in the market this electric vehicles, bikes, mopeds are available nowadays. Cars are also there coming in India. So this is one point, awareness in the society. Now other is, do not burn litters. We throw garbage, we throw litter here and there on the road, just taking matchbox, ignite it. So they are very much dangerous. Better you keep them in pits and make it compost, so it will not cause any pollution. If there is plastic, then keep plastic in safe place. Use plastic, recycle plastic, and thus reduce the use of plastic, and uh, this minimize the pollution. Now, next point is use of unleaded petrol. Unleaded petrol, which is technical term, unleaded. So petrol contains compound of lead for smooth burning. Initially it was there, but nowadays all the companies are selling only unleaded petrol. So no leaded petrol is available in any country. No leaded petrol. So this is only the use of unleaded petrol. Actually, compound of lead was mixed in the petrol, and it was carried on for a very long time period, because petrol or diesel they burn not smoothly, and to allow them burning, this lead compound was made. Compound of lead, tetraethyl lead. It was tetraethyl compound was there, tetraethyl compound was there, so it is one. Now next is use of solar heaters for water. You all must know many persons install hotels, hospitals, they use solar water heaters on the rooftop, and so we get hot water. It is one. So we can minimize the pollution because solar water heaters use only solar. So electricity or the LPG can be used. Then use of CNG, LPG, PNG. in vehicles or CNG vehicles, LPG vehicle, PNG vehicles, petroleum, natural gas. So they can be used for running because they, as they cause less pollution, rather much less pollution, because CNG, LPG, they are burned completely as their gases form. In our homes, why LPG is so popular? Around 20 years back, children, you can talk to your parents. LPG was not available to each and every person. There was scarcity because India has very limited supply of LPG from the country. So we are dependent on the foreign countries. Now exporting a lot from the foreign countries. And so CNG burns completely with respect to wood or coal, etc. Then promotion of public transportation. We must promote public transport. Awareness must be inside everyone, not use personal vehicles. Then use of best quality or technology in factories. So when the best quality, best technique is used in factories, so naturally the pollution will be minimized. So there are children countless uses, and so everyone is going to contribute. And so one more point is the afforestation. Afforestation. Now, you all must know deforestation. So when the trees are cut, so naturally pollution will be more. Trees absorb the CO2. Trees absorb the gases like SO2, NO2 formed during the complete combustion of the fuels. Next point is the proper tuning of the engines. Proper tuning. Proper tuning of engines. All the engines of the vehicles, two-wheelers, four-wheelers, the mechanic tunes the engine when you go for servicing. And so proper tuning. Tuning means with the proper ratio of the use of diesel or petrol with the air. And what they check the discharge of the gas. And so it is governed by the Pollution Control Department or Ministry of Transport. So this is one. Now, use of catalytic converters. Catalytic converters. Catalytic converters in discharges of vehicles or exhaust of vehicles. You all must be knowing silencer. All the vehicles are having the silencers, whether it is two-wheeler or four-wheeler. So silencers have catalytic converters. Catalytic converters are nothing but they are the metal compounds, and metal compounds they convert the poisonous gases. Metal compounds like just I am drawing a sketch. You all must be knowing silencer. So inside silencer, you must knowing that silencers are having this type of silencers of the vehicle. And in the silencer, there are the plates. There are the plates, and these plates they are having the catalytic converters, and here it comes out. So these are the plates of the catalytic converter, and they convert so the gases like NO2, SO2. So they are discharged into the compounds of sulfur, nitrogen, etc. So here SO2 is converted to sulfur, NO2 is converted to nitrogen. So they are not dangerous. So this is very much important. And when there is the discharge, then you might have seen when the vehicles becomes old, they emit more smoke. And so this is very simple point to have this role towards the mother nature.